Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Overwatch 2 voice chat not working on PC. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. To fix the Overwatch microphone not working error, we need to check and do some things. Our first step is to check that Windows is up to date. For this, we type update in the search. Click on check for updates. Click on check for updates. If there is an update here, we are making this update. As you can see, Windows is update now. Our second step is to update the audio driver. For this, we type device manager in the search. In the window that opens, we click on the small icon next to audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on all the devices here and click Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. If you see text like here, it means the driver is up to date. If not, it will do a quick update. You can update the driver by this. We do the same for other devices. I don't need to update because the drivers on my computer are up to date. Our third step is for headset users. If you use the microphone separately, this step is not applicable to you. We type Realtek in search. Click on Realtek Audio Console. This application allows to manage the jack inputs on the computer. Click on Device Advanced Settings. And we make sure that the audio input here is a headset. It can be selected as speaker or headphone. If so, we set it to headset. For our fourth step, we type Control Panel in the search. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. In the window that opens, right-click on the default device. Click Properties. Click Advanced. Then we remove the Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device option. Click on Apply and OK. We will do our fifth step from this window as well. For the fifth step, we click on Record. Here you will see the recording devices on your computer. Right-click on which microphone you are using. Select Set as Default Device. Then right-click again and select Set as Default Communication Device. If you are using a separate microphone instead of a headset, you should do the same with it. After applying this process, click OK. For our sixth step, we go into the settings. From the left menu, we click on Privacy and Security. We scroll down, click on Microphone. Here you can see which applications are using the microphone. If you do not have Overwatch in this section, that is, if we can turn this feature off and on, you need to turn Overwatch on. This happens on some computers. On my computer it is automatically on. As I said, if this feature is turned off and on for you, you need to turn it on. Now we move on to the seventh and most important step. For our seventh step, we open the game. Click on ESC. Click on Options. Click on Sound from the top menu. Click on Voice Chat. Here we need to change some settings. We do Group Voice, Team Voice Chat and Match Join Chat Auto Join. If the voice chat nameplate icon is off, we turn it on. Then we make voice chat devices as default devices. You can set the voice chat mode according to you. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.